How to create a full song with Suno AI. Good day, folks, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. If you want to create music using an AI model, this is the only video you need to watch. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is jump into your Google tab and you want to type in here Suno. Now you will see that the first result that comes up is Suno.ai. You want to go in here. Now, I'm sure a lot of people don't actually know this, but this is actually a product of Microsoft Copilot. So right from here, you can see that this is their homepage, and it is a very basic homepage. What they basically have over here is a couple of tracks that have already been made by their AI model. You can go over to the right hand side and you can tap on make a song. As you can see over here from this page, on the left hand side you have the explore section, which is where we're in now, and basically you can see a bunch of music that has been made by community members, and then you can go ahead on the left hand side and you can see that there is a create button. Now let's tap on that. Now there are two ways to go about this, and you have to keep in mind that you get 50 credits in the free plan, and we'll come back to that later. So right over here you can see at the top it says song description, and right over here you can put in a song description. So let's say you want to make a rap song about your black cat. Now this looks very, very simple, and you can go ahead and you can tap on create. But the thing is that you're very limited in what your capabilities are here. So once you do this, you will see that it will create a song about your black cat, and it will be in the style of a rap song. But if you want to get a little bit more creative, you have the custom mode, which is up on the top of the screen, just above that song description. Now, if you're going ahead and tapping this on, you can go ahead now and you can enter in your own lyrics. If you are a writer or if you are a lyricist, you can go and enter in your very own words. You can also go ahead and tap on make random lyrics, and this will allow the AI bot to actually generate your own lyrics. You can also go down now and enter a style of music, and right over here would be your genre, and you can put a little bit of a twist onto it so you can make it really exactly what you wanted. You can then also enter in a title over here in the bottom, and here will basically be like the name of the song or the title of the song. So I've gone ahead and I've put some lyrics in over here, which I actually generated lyrics automatically using the bot. I've also put in the style of music that I'm looking for, and then I just gave it a silly title. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to tap on create. Now, while this is creating, we're going to go over to the right hand side, and you can see over here, just from that initial create that I did without the custom mode on, you can see that it has generated two songs for me. So we have the Midnight Panther and we have the Black Cat Swagger. And over here on the right hand side you have a few options. Now you can give it a thumbs up, a thumbs down if you like or don't like. You can also share, and then the three dots over here, once you click on that, you can actually remix this song. You can also continue from this clip, which basically means that you can go ahead and you can create a full song from this clip, and then you can share a link, you can share it to the public, you can download it as a video, which basically just plays the lyrics over the image that you see over here, which is the cover image that they've created, and then you can download it just as an audio, which would be MP3. So there's quite a few options when wanting to create a completely new song and a complete full song. You can see over here now that these two songs have actually generated, and on the right hand side over here you can actually see that it started to give you some of the lyrics and some other details. So we're going to go in here and we're going to tap on continue from this clip, and as you can see on the left hand side, it has actually put the lyrics into this text box. And what you can actually do now is you can write another verse. So right over here you're going to hit enter and you are going to put in verse, and now you can go ahead and you can write another verse. Now after you've written another verse, you can go ahead and take the chorus and you can copy that and you can actually enter it in again. So of course you have your verse, chorus, verse, and then another chorus. If you want another verse, you can go ahead and do that, and you can structure the song the way you want to, and then you can tap on continue. And this basically will allow you to create a full song with the help of AI. So I mentioned earlier on that you only get 50 free credits to create songs in Suno AI, but if you go ahead on the left hand side and tap on subscribe, you can now manage your subscription with either a monthly or annual billing. So as you can see over here, for just $8 a month, you can go ahead and get 2,500 credits a month, and that's a total of 500 songs. And that doesn't mean that you're going to totally make 500 songs, but it means that you have 500 chances to make a song. You also get a couple more perks, and then of course for their premium plan for $24 a month, which really is not a lot, you can get 10,000 credits, which means that's 2,000 songs a month. Now this guide has been to help you to create a full-length song on Suno AI. If you want to know more about the details of Suno AI, you can go ahead and click on this video, and I'll go through everything from start to end.